By the way, I wish I had the people waiting for the flags here. When the enemy comes in, like the Spirit of the Lord will raise up a standard.